Well, this is the Soundcore Life A1 by Anker earbuds. It's very cool, affordable, and it has a very nice case. As you can see, it's like matted and a little slippery if your hands are wet. And here's the earbuds itself. And it has bass mode. And then here's the extra earbud tips. And then here's the extra wing tips. And here's the charging cable. And it's also a true wireless charging that if you have one of those wireless chargers for your phone, you can use this. Or if your phone, like the higher end Samsungs, Apple's, has wireless charging, you can put this on top of it. And here's like a little, they want to know how they sound. And here is the booklet, instruction booklet. And here is the what not to do. And this earbuds, in one single charge, it plays for 5 hours. And then with the case, an extra 15. An extra 20. So in total, with the charge, 5 hours charge of the earbuds, and then you can charge it 4 more times in the case, an extra 20 hours, equals to 25 hours in total. And then when you charge 10 minutes, the fast charging, if you charge it for 10 minutes, and you have 1 hour listening. And it has 2 microphones with 3 modes. It has podcast mode, bass boost mode, and signature mode. And then it has one-step pairing. Once you paired it and then you use it again, you don't have to pair it again. So once you open it the next time, it's very fast connecting. It's Bluetooth 5.0. And it has the frequency, extra small, mid, and large ear tips. And then the charging case. So you get in the box, you get the case, the cable, the tips, the ear wings, and then the earbuds itself. Well, that's just my little short introduction with these Anker earbuds. Thanks for watching.